Hello and welcome to our channel. I am your host Parizat Kunda, and today we are exploring the effect of soap on the surface tension of milk using a fun experiment called the magic milk. Surface tension is a force that causes the surface of liquids to behave like a stretched elastic membrane. Surface tension is also a reason as to why liquids keep a low surface area. For example, when water droplets are placed on a flat surface, they will tend to form a spherical shape rather than spreading out. For this experiment, we will need a glass of milk, liquid soap, cotton swabs, a dropper, and different colors of liquid food coloring, plus our glass bowl with a flat surface. First, pour enough milk into your glass bowl, just enough to cover the bottom. Next, using a dropper, we shall add drops of different food colorings into this plate. Keep raising your dropper such that we remove the previous food color and be able to add the new color. Feel free to use as very many kinds of colors as you would like for this experiment. After that, using a cotton swab, we shall dip it into our liquid soap and ensure that your tip is well coated with the soap. We shall gently touch the surface of the milk and watch what happens. So what is happening here? We observe colors swirling and spreading out. Milk contains proteins, fats, and water, and these fat molecules are always floating together on the surface of the milk, causing surface tension within the milk. And that is why milk has a high water content that makes it have properties similar to water, such as a high surface tension. But when we add soap, something interesting happens. The soap molecules are attracted to the fat molecules. As soon as the soap touches the milk, it breaks down the fat molecules, disrupting the surface tension. This will cause a movement in the milk, which is observed by the food coloring, swirling and spreading around. And that allows us to see the different swirls of color. Let's add another soapy cotton swab into the milk to check if there are any fat molecules left. If there is continuous movement of the color, it means that the soap is still looking for more fat molecules to break. But in case the movement stops, it means that all the fat molecules have been disrupted by the soap. In today's video, we've learned the effect of soap on the surface tension of milk. And now it's your turn. Try this experiment at home and share with us your experience in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting science experiments. See you next time.